Okay guys, this is the completely dried teak oil treated patio table, and these are my two side tables that are going to go in my grilling area. But I just wanted to show you, I don't know if you can just tell from, it's so smooth and so gorgeous. When I had put the second coat on and the instructions say to wipe it off, it was really tacky, you know, kind of sticky and tacky. And I was worried that it was going to dry with like a kind of a rough texture, but it is absolutely so smooth and it just feels water resistant. That's a speck of the base coat. I was painting the tiling area, so if you guys, I'm going to be stenciling the grilling area on my concrete patio, so if you want to see that, I'll post a link in the section below. So anyway, I got these two beautiful tables. They're perfect together to make a tabletop grilling in my grilling area, and I got these from IKEA. I think they were on sale for 17 bucks a piece, so they were steel, but I knew to preserve their quality I would need to seal them, and so I used the Minwax Hellman's Teak Oil, and it was super easy to use, very quick. You do one coat, you wait 10 minutes, you do another coat, you wait 15 minutes, and wipe it off, and it is just beautiful. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. So thanks for checking in, and I'll see you guys in the next video.